Hello guys, welcome back to this video. In the previous 7 days I haven't uploaded a video because we were designing these two webinars for you all. If you haven't watched it yet, then just watch it guys. So today let's make our website responsive. Last time we had done our website till here. Okay, so we had done till here. So see, this is our website and it looks awesome. We had inserted this video. Oh, sorry. We haven't inserted this video. I had by mistake pasted this in this index.html. So here I just removed this video. I'm going to show you how to insert these videos. So don't worry. It's really simple. Okay, now let's reload. Pressing Ctrl R. Okay, so this is it. So now what? Where is it? Let's make our website responsive. So what is responsive? When you right click on your browser, just right click once. So I don't know why this Edge is working a bit slow today. And click on inspect. Once you click on inspect, then see what will happen. Okay, so what happened? See, it is like this. It's not responsive. See, welcome to iEducate. It looks like this. It looks a bit dirty, right? So when we go here, we have this, we have this, and we have this, and we have the products too. Products are looking good, and the footer is also looking a bit good, but not too good. So we are going to just what we say, we are going to rectify this. The image is small. We are going to shift this image over here down. So let's do that. So what is responsive? It looks like this in the Galaxy Note 3. So what is responsive? Responsive means to adjust as per the width and height of the page. So in the mobile you have to adjust as per it. So here suppose we see in Galaxy Note 3 it looks like this, in Galaxy Note 2 it looks like this, in Pixel 2 it looks like this. They do not look exactly as we want. They look somewhat dirty, not too dirty but somewhat dirty. So let's rectify that. When we go to the style.css, let's go to the style.css. Over here have we hard coded? What is the meaning of hard coded? So if we remove the height of it, and now when we reload it, just a minute. Yeah. So now let's just inspect this website. Now see, now it's adjusting as per the size. Now it's almost adjusting as per the size. Adjusting as per the size, but yeah, okay, that's not. We should uncomment this because this is a welcome section. We do not want to do it to the welcome section. So yeah, now it looks good. Yeah, okay, this looks well. And here when we reduce this height, it becomes we should rectify that. Let's go to Galaxy Note 3. Yeah, okay, we will do that. So it adjusts a bit. So we do not want to do it to that one. We want to do it to the not the welcome section. Let's see where is the section. So just a minute. Info section. Yeah, let's do it to the info section. Have we hard coded it? No, that's a good one. So we haven't hard coded. What is the meaning of hard code? Means we have fixed a specific height. It will not change anything even if the height and the width change. That is why. And if you remove this one, meta tag, viewport meta tag, then let's see what happens. Everything will be gone when we click on inspect. See, it will look so bad. It will not be readable. See, it's becoming small. How small is it? Is it looking good? No, not at all. It's not looking good. See how small. And now let's see if when we uh, do the meta tag. Let's reload. See, now we will rectify that to this one. The when we go to the top, this one also we will rectify that. Let's go to the blog page. It's hash. Okay. So till now we have done till here. Now we'll make this part of the website. When we do the inspect one, what happens is the images come inside. What if we want them in the top? So to do that, let's go here in the info section of our website. In the CSS one, we're going to do is write a media query. So what is a media query? So when we write at media, oh, what is it? Is it hacked? Oh, it's not responding. Let's wait. Yeah, okay. So at media means at media only screen, and you give open and close brackets and write max width 1140 pixel, and then come out of here. Oh, sorry, 1140 pixel, and do give open close curly brackets and write dot info inside here, and then give column flex direction right here, column reverse. Yeah, that's it. It should happen. Let's see. It still didn't happen. Oh yeah, it's happened. It's happening. It happened. Yes. So why didn't this happen? Oh, because we have given a different name. Okay, so it's inf. So we'll give a comma inf dot inf. Yeah, let's reload that and let's rectify that too. Let's see whether the image is here. Yeah, that's it. In the next video is enough for today, and in the next video we are going to be seeing how to how to make the header part responsive. So let's see whether our website is really responsive or not. So in Galaxy Note 3 it looks like this. Amazing. It looks amazing. See, the image is also on top. You just need to adjust a bit, scroll there. The image is also on top. See here, why is education important, and all our products are also neatly visible in a line. And then the footer, we are going the footer is also neatly visible. In the next video we are going to do make the header part responsive. And guys, I have a good channel for you all. The name of the channel is Super Jack Coder. Just go to youtube.com. So what is this channel? Why I'm telling this channel to you all? So this channel is amazing. In the future videos, it is going to be uploading videos on Android Studio, how to make apps, how to use apps. Currently it has only one video and 8 subscribers, but they will be going to increase. So just search for Super Jack and Space Coder. So they're going to uploading about Django and Flask too. Django and Flask, for your instances, they are the Python libraries. So currently this is their channel, and I have also subscribed them. So that's it guys for this video, and thanks for watching. Bye bye, and we'll meet in the next video.